For you, Jerry Lee Lewis, because you've got great balls of fire. We're good.
That was peacock. No peacock or
I don't know. Should we start easy? We're playing Ultimate Fire Link.
Olvera Street.
Olvera Street.
I'm familiar with Olvera Street. It looks like that little. It looks like that little island in Puerto Vallarta. Remember the little river island with the cats?
Cat Island.
Cat Island. It has a real name, but we're calling it Cat Island. Wall Island?
I don't know. Don't ask me. Anyway, we chose this one specifically because there are street tacos as a symbol.
We were setting up to play by the bay next door.
Yeah.
The lady saw the street tacos.
This one seemed pretty promising.
The street taco
It's really quiet. So.
I forgot it's Fire Link. It's silent until something happens and then it's ear splitting. Big old bells are the wilds.
The bells are the wilds? Alright. I mean, it does check out.
I'm guessing old sugar skulls are just a premium symbol they'll do.
Street tacos should be the premium symbol.
That's nice. That's nice. Could have used some better symbols in the middle there.
I got the street tacos now.
If you haven't figured it out, we have no plan. We're just playing.
We're just having fun today. Okay.
Sunday afternoon. Never hear us. And we don't post on Sundays, so wherever you're watching this, it won't be Sunday. It's Sunday here.
No, yeah, please. Sorry, it's okay if we kind of tuck in. We'll share chairs.
Is the frame picture the other symbol?
Like if you get 3 of them?
Yeah. What's the
bonus one?
It's the free spin symbol.
We'll give it half to be, right?
It looks like it would be something, but it's not making any kind of crazy noises.
You have to get 6 of the fire balls.
I think only 4.
Oh, 4. All right. That's not bad.
Take that, Dragon Lee. Look at all those tacos. So they're right there. 3 framed pictures. 3 out of 4.
This button is kind of sticky.
The little frame picture reminds me of the that guy.
Your Simpsons one?
Yeah. It's like a frame painting, but it's very simplified and cartoony.
$10.
Where is Olvera Street, I wonder? Feel uncultured.
That's a good one. A $25. $25. Fireball?
$47.50. Old screens of the shot. We're killing it right now.
Alrighty.
What are we not good at?
Let's do this, team. Like and subscribe.
3 more to unlock, 2 more to unlock, 1 more to unlock.
I was on a max bet there. I don't know if you noticed that. You know how I'm always sneaking them in there. Woo! These are good ones.
One more to unlock, another 10. Ooh, drop a miner.
Do they have those? Like on a fireball?
I'm at the top. Building up.
Speaking of.
Next is miner.
Alright, y'all.
We got some good numbers on the trigger. That's usually a good sign. I saw a major go by. Major's 519.
I saw a huge fireball. It was like $500.
Digits. Just mad digits. 2 more to unlock. 1 more to unlock. Make this a big one. Come on. You owe us. I don't know why, but you do. That's $25 right there.
Awesome.
$50 ball up on top.
Let's get a word. Last spin.
Ooh, nice one too. Keep it alive.
Hey.
2 more to open up 72 bucks up there. Ooh,
The miner.
Come on, don't die.
Oh, one more. Come on. That's a good one, though. That was good.
Yeah. Out bigger than I thought. Oh damn! I added up.
That's awesome. That was on the max bet on penny denom, so that was $5. Pretty good deal. Look at them gems.
Coins and gems and gems and coins.
Diamonds. It's gonna take a really long time to be skip through that, or do you want to see it count up?
Coins and gems. Moving on.
Woo! That was great, y'all.
Dang.
A couple more spins.
You know I love Olvera Street.
Full screen of street tacos. Good luck.
See, that time it shook.
Yeah, that one did. Oh. I would have been
good. The free spin bonus and trigger the sun bonus is free spin bonus.
Can you do that?
Why not? You can do anything. Positive mental attitude. I don't think we've even gotten 2 of this.
Yeah. The lines are kind of weird.
There we go. Yes! This is it. Trigger the bonus. Skin the bonus.
10 free games with wild stacks. Okay.
Wild
Touch to start free game.
Like and subscribe.
It's a lower, I mean, we're only on $1.50 bet.
We also have the hidden jack shit, so that's part of it. Do you have to hit the button this time? I hate it when you do it.
Such a cute little sound.
Oh! How big of one? We got 5 of a kind sugar stones.
That's $87.
Oh!
$87.60 it says.
$1.50.
That's just a line hit in the free games. That's awesome.
And I was complaining. I will learn nothing.
Holy cow. Sorry.
Got 3 spins to go. Now it's gonna auto spin. Any more?
Let's do another 3 bells right here. That's a lot of guitars.
5 of a kind.
Is that it? That's pretty good. $102 bonus on a 150 bet. You know. Wow.
Eat it.
That's really good. Impressive little thing so far.
It's the cats. Cute little kitties with eyes on them. Good luck.
Who knows? What if it's this one? What if that's the actual name of it?
I feel like it's like Koala Island.
Koala?
Something similar to koalas, but not koalas.
You know what we're talking about? Cat Island?
In the
Mexico?
romantic zone in Puerto Vallarta. A little island inside a river. Little shops just like this and a little kitties room. Super fun. Go there.
It was fun.
I wish we had more time. We did our Vegas trip and then went straight to Puerto Vallarta. Tried to cram in a little extra for our anniversary. It was a bit rushed.
Aww. Bells, 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 bells.
Shocked at how quiet this game is.
No. The mics do a pretty good job of picking it up, so.
They're always so much louder than I think they're going to be. I don't want to jinx it either, but it's weirdly not loud in the casino right now. Even though it's busy as hell. There's people everywhere.
Remember last time we were here? It was so loud.
And the other time we played Fire Link, it was so loud.
You mean in the secret room?
In here.
Oh.
The one right on the other side of this, we played the New Orleans version or whatever. That was the loudest film we have ever filmed.
Oh.
It took me hours to try to fix the audio and it still sounded terrible. And now it's busy as hell in here and it's like...
Oh, I do want Oh, there you go.
We didn't do shit when we were in Mexico. we were already tired. And
we were totally bummed out. That, in a good way. Like, it was good. Our little boutique hotel was cute.
It really was. Turbo spinning again. And we just bummed around the little boutique hotel and walked around. 2 again. Walked out the little promenade. Los Arcos.
Kind of sucks. It's like we're only $30 above where we were.
This team loves throwing those wilds at the end. Doesn't seem to love throwing them at the beginning. Oh no. Oh, Lord, and Lord.
Bales.
Those tacos have so much meat in them.
And they gave lots of lines too. Ooh, that's like a lot of guitars. Not like a ton of money.
Not like it should have been. That just goes to show you can get a lot of guitars for not a lot of money.
Keep thinking that.
Important thing is the best guitar is always the next one. Oh, there's a Buffalo machine behind us getting loud. Now it feels casino-y.
It's times 2.
The Buffalo game manifested that one.
Might have.
Like and subscribe. It's 16. We're going all the way up. They're all at the top though.
Oh, okay, we only need 2 more to unlock.
Baby steps. I'm out there.
Oh. 3 more. 1. Yeah.
Nice. Alright, here we go.
Let's get the minor. $105.
Oh, there one.
That's $105.
I'll say something better.
Let's get the mega. Minor. A mini.
God damn. Where are you? All the way to the top, huh?
Please spin. Please spin, guys. Getting a minor at $105.
Oh my god!
That was $125. Wait. It's times 2 though. Is it times 2 on the balls?
Oh my god, it is. That's $250. Holy shit. Already.
Let's get another mini. Minor?
Fucking banana.
Save it.
Come on. Oh, huge one just went by too.
This has to be crazy. We have to cap this out, right?
More, huh? 500. Oh my god.
Oops. Alright, guys.
600. 623.
Oh yeah, that's just credits.
Wow. That was like the calmest, quietest $600 we've ever won.
Couple backups.
Wow.
So we probably should cash it out, right? I think so.
That was just calmly, quietly $600.
It'd be so cool if we got like a picture frame one right now. Yeah, the bells are good. All right. I think we should call that, right? That was a pretty good one. We put in 200.
It was like pow, pow.
We put in 200 and we're profiting $545.59.
We're just getting started, baby.
Okay. We are playing Buffalo Gold Wheels of Reward. We've never played this version.
Wheels. You have to honor the H. Wheels.
I said the H.
Which you didn't honor it.
We need more volume.
I bet we don't. The bonus is going to hit decent amount. Pennies, we're doing.
We got pennies.
2 times 75 cents. Is that what it is?
I'm on 225.
Yeah, 2 times 75. Now we're at 2 1/4. There's strategies that we do not have one.
Playing for fun. You know the gist.
Our strategy is to F up so you don't have to. That's our business.
That's our slogan.
And business is moving.
Ooh, it's an elk.
We do a gross elk screen.
The goal is to always get 3 of those coins to trigger some sort of bonus.
Oh, bum, bum. I hope everything's going.
What?
I hope everything's going.
What do you mean?
The cameras and microphones.
I think so. Oh man, those ×2s.
FNup is our brand, but it does get tiresome. All the mistakes we make with filming.
We do F up a lot.
Staying true to form. It's our namesake. Can't be liars. Do shit right.
Bruh. That was not us.
So close.
Oh.
Tell us in the comments, will this game ever win anything?
Full screen of Buffalo right now. Like right now.
Right now, or like later though? We're at the WarHorse Casino in Lincoln. As per usual. Doing our thing. Effing up and not winning on this slot machine right now.
Not yet.
My lord, Buffalo.
Give us more buffaloes.
What did you do to anger the buffaloes?
I don't know. Maybe the bonuses are so good that when you get them, they're like gonna bring it back up to where you were.
Do literally anything.
Okay, well, $7.50.
X5 or something would have been.
Yeah, that would have been cool. Don't complain. We got something. You told it to do something. We got something.
Don't do 2/3 of something. Do like actually something. We have 3 wheels to figure out here. We haven't even flirted with figuring anything. Alright, now it's hot.
Oh, we got the $4.
Just like that, it's hot.
Hey,
Sizzling
we
hot.
could be heating up. You don't know.
It all starts with that first win. Second win, not so much.
Coins, 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 coins. Coins, coins, coins.
You give me all that money you keeping in that damn robot box.
Double wilds like crazy now. They're not hitting anything. Buffalo.
Too bad they didn't connect.
We haven't even got a Buffalo yell yet.
Oh, of course, when I change my bet to low.
Oh, he's got a blackjack and you lower your bet.
Hey, like we said, we're heating up.
Was that 2 wins in a row? Shut up. Well, that one was 2/3 of our bet.
We are definitely heating up. Hey, that's a good one. That's $12. Oh, we're coming back. Coins.
I want it all. I want this to be the jackpot day.
No.
Unlike every other day where I don't. Jaguar! I don't know what they growl, I assume. Or maybe they just meow adorably like a house cat.
Tens! Tens!
You think jaguars purr if you scritch their little bellies?
Yes.
Next time we see one, we'll try.
This game is not as lucrative.
Not yet. But we have a whole $35 left, so should get 3 coins with.
Minimum bet?
Buffalo, literally.
Elks.
As our kids would say, bruh.
Bruh.
2 out of 3 again. What do they say
These
now?
bonuses must be really hard to get.
Yeah. Girl.
Girl.
Buffalo ain't playing today. Oh. Buffalo better.
Buffalo.
Do better, Buffalo.
Can we get a bonus?
Let me push it. Breaking it up.
Yeah, you do need to push
New
it.
energy.
Maybe try a different bet though, because 75 cents ain't cutting it.
I got a lot of money left to play with.
No.
There it is. There it's not. This is the one. You are stupid and ugly.
That escalated quickly.
Sorry I blew up.
Man, though, this was brutal. Again, with the minor sounding like you, just sounds like you lost. Woohoo! Hey, it's $20. Good job. You got some playing money. $20, man.
We're live.
All right, apparently you're lucky. It's like 28 bucks.
They throw those coins away the fuck up. Look at that. He is hucking the coins. Somebody down there just put you back into it.
All right, well, we got some playing money. A little bit more.
We're alive.
Kind of cool to see all those times twos and stuff. 37. Okay. I was trying to add up all the numbers down there where it was telling us how much it'd be. Keep going, you're lucky.
Now, bonus up. That's a funny looking bonus. Get the wolves too, yeah. It's pronounced wolves. Double wolves. We would have connected those buffalo, we'd have been rolling. Ooh. There it is, there it is, there it is, there it is. That's it.
Come on. Man, it's so hard to get one of these coin bonuses.
Just show us something. There it is, there it is, there it is.
Coins? Damn.
More than our bet. All I can add.
Oh man, too bad that times 2 wasn't around.
Now the 10s would have added up. Coins, you mother.
Expletive deleted.
There it is, there it is.
What does the extra real power on the side mean? Does that mean anything specifically?
It means it has the power of extra reels.
Joy!
Hey.
That was a lot of stuff, but was nothing. Poke at it with a little higher bet.
A lot of wolfies.
A lot of whoops. Just show us a wheel. Something. Come on. See anything. I want to see things happen. There we go. Yeah. All right, your turn.
All right, we're just gonna ladder it. Small ladders.
Baby ladders, like a step stool. That's ammo. That's the ammo, baby.
Doesn't seem like it won that much.
Minimum.
Incredible? It says incredible and it's $10.
$10 and 75 cents. Pretty good.
Yeah. You're not wrong.
You gotta do something.
He's always on the lowest bets.
Got the minor key again.
Makes me feel like a loser.
Not bad, best.
Aww. Too bad the Jaguars didn't connect there. Eagles!
Oh.
$15.
5 of a kind would have been enormous.
That's gotta be an incredible. Give us some ammo here. Ooh, $23. Okay, so the laddering is working.
Hit it, baby.
The laddering is working here.
Trick is to stay alive.
The switching up of the bets is going good.
Confuse the machine.
Oh, there's a 720 times 8.
No.
That's like 50 some bucks.
For queens?
Yeah, 720 times 8. Because there's so many queens. What? That's nice.
Jank as hell.
Woo! I'm telling you, this laddering is going good. I'm gonna go up one more.
Take that damn bonus.
Oh, that would have been so good. Okay, back to it again.
Oh, bitch. Game's just keeping us dangling on the line.
It really is. Well, it's good playing time, though.
I just want to see these wheels now.
I know, we haven't even gotten to see anything. Don't fail us now,
being
Buffaloes.
Or do fail us. Elks and buffaloes couldn't get it together there. Or is it just elk? Is elk already plural?
Elk is plural.
There you go. And they don't do that obnoxious scream.
What? Isn't there like a time? Is there a ×5 on some of those? Ooh.
There can be.
Do you want to take a turn? Oh, nothing. That is actually so rude.
Connected the elks or something weird.
Can't believe out of everything, the queens, man. Buffalo, Eagles.
Buffaloes, Eagles, Kings.
Surprised it didn't say something about an incredible. Oh, okay. Well, now it is.
But no points. I expect points.
$25, $24.
Back in the game.
30.
That could have been big.
At this point, it's just a challenge to see how long we can play without going bankrupt.
Time on machine.
And can we get either our money back or can we get a bonus?
Don't do it twice in a row. Don't do it 3 times.
can't believe the Queens has been our like biggest hit.
Yeah.
Y'all, put in the comments, have you ever gotten a wheel?
Do the wheels do anything, or are they for
I
decoration?
think they are decoration. Keep hearing the wheels behind us, the buffalo behind us. Wait, what? How much did you say?
Only pennies? Well, we've been at this a while. You want to beef it up and just go for it?
Yeah.
Max bet a few times?
Sure.
Well, max bet's only $3.75.
Yeah.
So max bet our way out. Not because we recommend that. And not, obviously, because it's a flawless strategy, as you can see.
Three chances.
Oh, let's do it. That's it. We got enough for a min bet. Well, second wheel of reward.
Wow, that was bad. I mean, I'm glad we kept it going for a while, but that was bad.
Wheels of leisure time.
Dang, add this to the list of slots that F does.